see me before I see them. All gone quiet. All gone quiet. Wow, all gone quiet with regards to the woodpecker, not the bird song. Could listen to that all day. Oh, that was a good one. Getting nearer. Keeps moving. It was way back there earlier on when I first heard it. Then it was over here, and it moved to over there. It keeps moving round. Spotted me. All gone quiet. I think it's flown off. Down there now. Down there somewhere it went then. Unless there's a few of them. It's way down that way now. And it was here. It's gone down there now. Like I say, unless there is. It's over there now. Unless there's a few of them, or it's moving around. I don't know. Don't know much about woodpeckers. No, there's more than one, definitely. They're calling. Dee 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 dee. That's a lower, and that's a higher. That's the high. And that's the low. So there is more than one. Hard to see though, very hard to see. Oh, by the way, this is Coed Mawr, high above Llanrhaeadr in North Wales. Beautiful wood. Loads of wildlife in it. There's one over there now. So there's loads of woodpeckers in this wood. You can hear them now. It's over there. Pheasant. Cracking wood this, absolutely cracking wood. Coed Mawr, which means big wood. Coed Mawr. Coed is wood. Mawr is big. Coed Mawr is big wood. Fantastic place.